What is cable pulling in oil and gas construction? Cable pulling in oil and gas construction refers to the process of installing electrical, instrument cables, wires, or communication lines in various facilities, equipment, or infrastructure within the oil and gas industry. This process is essential for establishing electrical connections, powering equipment, transmitting data, and facilitating communication across different components of oil and gas facilities, including drilling rigs, refineries, pipelines, and processing plants. What are the different methods for cable laying? 1. Trenching. 2. Direct plowing. 3. Horizontal directional drilling, HDD. 4. Cable jettisoning. 5. Aerial installation. 6. Submarine installation. 7. Cable pulling in conduits. What are the several key steps in the cable pulling process? The cable pulling process typically involves several key steps. 1. Planning and preparation. 2. Selection of cables. 3. Preparation of cable routes. 4. Installation of cable trays or conduits. 5. Cable pulling. 6. Termination and connection. 7. Testing and commissioning. What are the drawing required for cable pulling? 1. Cable pulling route plan. 2. Cable layout drawing. 3. Cable pulling schedule. 4. Cable pulling equipment layout. 5. Cable pulling installation details. What is cable route drawings? Cable route drawings depict the planned routes or pathways for the cables within the project site. These drawings provide a visual representation of the cable layout, including the starting and ending points, intermediate junctions, bends, turns, and termination points. Cable route drawings help ensure that cables are installed according to the intended paths and avoid obstacles or conflicts with other utilities or structures. What is cable schedule drawings? A cable schedule diagram is a detailed document that outlines the specification and installation requirements for cables used in various applications within the industry. It typically includes information such as cable type, size, length, routing, termination points, and installation methods. This diagram helps ensure that the electrical cables are installed correctly. It is an important component of the overall design and construction process in oil and gas facilities. What is pending radius of cable? The pending radius of a cable refers to the minimum bending radius that a cable can withstand without risking damage to its internal components or compromising its performance. When a cable is being installed, it's crucial to adhere to the manufacturer's recommendations regarding the minimum bending radius to prevent kinking, stretching, or breaking of the cable. Different between instrument cable and electrical cable. Power cables are used for transmitting and distributing power in applications such as overhead equipment and high-power scenarios, while instrument cables are utilized in industrial automation and signal control systems. Power cables transfer energy, generating a significant electromagnetic field due to their high-power nature. In contrast, instrument cables carry low-power signals and do not produce electromagnetic fields or noise. They are specifically designed for signal transmission and are protected from electromagnetic radiation. Power cables require robust sheathing to withstand their active environment, providing resistance against corrosion and extreme temperatures. In contrast, instrument cables typically feature regular PVC insulation and do not require heavy-duty sheathing. Power cables have larger conductor sizes, ranging from 1.5 mm to 630 mm, while instrument cables have smaller conductor sizes, ranging from 0.5 mm to 1.5 mm. Power cables do not require shielding, as they do not transmit signals, unlike instrument cables which necessitate shielding to protect signal integrity. A single power cable usually consists of a single core for each phase, example, R phase, Y phase, while a single instrument cable is often a multi-core cable to properly transmit signals and maintain a thinner profile, reducing complexity. What is the purpose of instrument cable shielding? The shield of the cable provides protection for electromagnetic compatibility, preventing internal signals from interfering with other cables or electrical devices. Additionally, it safeguards against external interference from reaching the interior of the cable. Why insulation test is important after cable laying is completed? Insulation testing after cable laying is an essential quality control measure that helps ensure the safety, reliability, and performance of electrical systems. What is the test voltage for mega insulation test? For low voltage, LV, power cables, rated up to 1 kV, the insulation test voltage is typically between 1.5 to 2 times the rated voltage, example, 1.5 kV to 2 kV. For medium voltage, MV, power cables, rated from 1 kV to 35 kV, the insulation test voltage is typically between 2 to 3 times the rated voltage, example, 5 kV to 10 kV. For low voltage instrument cables, the insulation test voltage may range from 500 V to 1 kV, depending on the specific application and insulation material. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. IIQA